Hi everyone, it's Amory, and I just sent out an announcement regarding an extension of a due date for your rough draft outline and practice video for Speech 1, the speech of introduction. I noted that when I was reviewing your topic submissions and then the Chapter 4 kind of rough draft that you submitted via MindTap, that many of you either didn't submit one or that you were still submitting topics that read more like a how-to or informative speech than a speech of introduction. So there seems to be some confusion as to topic selection. Do take note that speech 2 is an informative speech. It is a speech telling us or teaching us how to do something. Therefore, when we talk about speech 1, we're talking about you more formally introducing yourself to us via a topic that interests you. Now, we're naturally inclined to want to teach people how to do something when we're interested in a topic, but that is not your purpose for this speech. Your purpose is to let us know a little bit more about you. So if I wanted to talk about cross-stitch, which I've just taken up after about a 25-30-year hiatus, I would then focus on what I enjoy about it, how I got started, what kind of projects I do, what types of skills or results it gets me, and go through kind of a more narrative approach to cross-stitch and me, not teaching people how to do it. So keep that in mind as you go forward. I also wanted to quickly run down how you're going to record your practice videos. So your practice video has been extended to Thursday at midnight rather than Wednesday at midnight. And if you go into week 3 under assignments, I do encourage you again to watch this How to Record a Great Speech for an Online course. There are some things that you need to know and be aware of when you record for an online speech class. Those include things like having good lighting, making sure you don't have a lot of distracting noises and visuals in your camera setup. I don't want to necessarily see pets walking by, parents walking by, partners or roommates walking by. I don't want to have a shot of your overhead ceiling fan whirring or listen to the TV in the background. I want it to be focused on your face, on you, and I want it to be professional. So if it looks as though you're lounging on your bed while you're recording it, that's going to get you dinged in your overall presentation because that's not a formal setup for recording a speech. Treat it like you would an interview you were doing via Skype or webcam. You are not going to sit around in your pajamas and lounge on your bed when you're talking to an interviewer. So treat it with that same formality and professionalism. So do take a watch of that video for some other tips on how to set it up well. When you get ready to practice your video, you're going to click this Practice Speech 1, something you're interested in. It will take you to your MindTap. Mine is sitting down in my lower toolbar right now, so I'm going to pull it up. And your screen will look something like this. I always feel like this is kind of a blank, weird screen. What you're going to do is you have this Add button right here. You're going to click it, and it's going to ask you, what are you going to submit? And for this one, you are submitting a practice video. So you're going to click Video, and you're going to record the video or either upload it. So this means that you have the option of either recording it live with your webcam, or if you've recorded it elsewhere, such as on your camera, on your phone, you would then upload the video. But most of you, I'm assuming, are going to record the video via your camera. So you're going to click this. And since I'm recording right now, it's going to look something like this. So when I'm ready to, I'm going to click Record, and it's going to submit my practice video. This video will be viewable to your classmates and to me. It's a way for you to start getting used to seeing yourself on camera, knowing where to look, and it's a way for you to get some feedback from your classmates before you actually submit your final video for this speech 1 and all your speeches. So it's a good way to test your audio, to test your visuals, and to test what you're doing with your body and where you're looking and if your setup is good. So when you are ready to do that, you're going to click Record, and then you're going to submit it. And again, I've extended that to Thursday, which is January 30th at midnight. So if you have questions or concerns, please do let me know, and happy practicing and recording. Thanks.